Hello everybody, I'm Rain, a software engineer here at SkylineOpsAI. Today I'm excited to introduce our first product, the IAM agent. The IAM agent is an automation tool that helps users set up essential IAM roles for the selected AWS services, fully automatically. In this demo, we'll show how the agent configures the required IAM roles for AWS Elastic Kubernetes Service, specifically the EKS cluster role and the EKS node role. All actions are executed inside an encrypted virtual environment, ensuring your credentials and the agent's activity remain secure and isolated from the host system. To begin, please log into your AWS account and start at the AWS console homepage. For this demo, we'll select the Elastic Kubernetes Service from the drop-down menu. Once we click Start, the agent takes over, identifying what is needed and provisioning all required IAM roles automatically. Every action you're seeing in the virtual environment window is performed by our AI agent. The logic behind the agent was built by our experienced AWS solution architects, reflecting years of best practices and operational expertise. While the agent is working, the bottom left window shows the exact actions being performed. The top left window explains the reasoning behind each step. The virtual environment window visually shows where the agent is clicking and typing by highlighting them with small red squares. Just like that, all required IAM roles for EKS are now successfully configured. The setup is complete and the app can now be closed.